Hello everyone. Today, I'll be guiding you through the hospital management system, where we manage critical elements such as departments, treatment plans, patients, staff, family members, and various medical processes. These elements all work together to ensure smooth hospital operations, efficient patient care, and coordination between medical staff. Throughout this presentation, we'll look at each component's key attributes and their relationships with other entities. This will give us a clear understanding. We'll start by talking about departments, which serve as the organizational backbone of the hospital. Each department is unique, and its structure is defined by three key attributes: department ID, a unique identifier for each department. Name, the name of the department, e.g., cardiology, radiology. Lead doctor ID, the ID of the doctor managing the department. Date started, the date when the lead doctor took charge of the department. Departments also have an important relationship. Each department manages multiple treatment plans and may also be spread across multiple locations. Moving on to treatment plans, each plan serves as a specific medical protocol or procedure designed for patient care. The attributes of a treatment plan include plan code, a unique code for each treatment plan. Plan name, the name of the plan, e.g., chemotherapy, dialysis. Treatment area, the specific area in the hospital where the plan is carried out. The relationship here is that each department oversees multiple treatment plans, ensuring that patients receive specialized care based on their condition. For example, in the oncology department, there might be multiple treatment plans for cancer patients, including chemotherapy, radiation therapy, and post-surgery recovery protocols. The department is responsible for managing and coordinating. Next, we have staff, which includes doctors, nurses, and technicians who are essential in providing care. Each staff member is defined by the following attributes: staff ID, a unique ID for each staff member. Name, full name of the staff member. Address, contact information of the staff member. Salary, the salary assigned to the staff member. Gender of the staff member. Birth date, date of birth. Department ID, the ID of the department to which the staff member belongs. Staff members can belong to one department, but they may collaborate on multiple treatment plans with other departments. For example, a cardiologist may work with the general surgery team for patients requiring heart surgery. Now, let's look at the most important element in any hospital system, the patient. Every patient is unique and is identified through several attributes: patient ID, the unique ID for each patient. Name, the patient's full name. Contact info, phone number, email, and address. Medical history, a record of the patient's past and current health conditions. Insurance details, information about the patient's insurance provider. Primary department ID, the ID of the primary department assigned to handle the patient's care. The patient can be assigned to one primary department but can receive treatment from multiple departments. Let's now move on to the medical processes that take place within the hospital, starting with appointments. Each appointment has a unique identifier called appointment ID, along with the following details: date and time of the appointment. Follow-up date to track any future visits. The relationship here is that appointments are scheduled with patients and staff. Multiple staff members, such as doctors and nurses, may be involved in a patient's care, ensuring continuity and proper follow-up. Example, if a patient is scheduled for a routine checkup, an appointment is booked with their primary care physician. If needed, the patient can be scheduled for a follow-up appointment if additional tests are required. Finally, family members play an important role in a patient's care. The hospital records family members for emergency contact and insurance purposes. Each family member is identified by a family member ID, a unique identifier. Patient ID, the ID of the patient to whom the family member is related. Relationship, defines the family member's relationship to the patient, e.g., parent, spouse. Birth date, the birth date of the family member. Contact info, phone number and address for emergency contact. Each family member is associated with a patient, and they serve as important contacts for both medical medications. Each medication prescribed to a patient is tracked with a medication ID and the following information: dosage, the amount of medication to be taken; schedule, how often the medication should be taken. Follow-up date, the date when the doctor will review the medication's effectiveness. Medications are prescribed to patients by physicians, who monitor the patient's progress and make adjustments as needed. Example, a diabetic patient might be prescribed insulin shots to be taken daily, with a follow-up scheduled to monitor their blood sugar levels and adjust the dosage if necessary. Finally, we have surgeries, which are complex procedures conducted by physicians. Each surgery is recorded with a unique surgery ID and includes details about the surgery, date when the surgery takes place. Follow-up date to ensure post-surgery care and recovery. Surgeries are performed on patients by physicians, and multiple staff members are involved in making sure the surgery and recovery process goes smoothly. Example: a patient undergoing heart surgery will have the surgeon performing the operation, nurses assisting during the procedure, and a follow-up appointment scheduled to track the patient's recovery. To sum up, our hospital management system effectively manages departments, treatment plans, patients, staff, family members, and medical processes like appointments, medications, and surgeries. Each of these entities interacts in ways that ensure efficient, coordinated care for patients, and provide the hospital staff with the information